version. This is a Pro 300 MR. As you can see, 300. Brand new product. If you guys sleeping on the DS18, right guys, long time I didn't review any speakers, but we're gonna review again because a lot of brand new speakers in the market, so it's gonna be very fun and interesting. As you can see, I have a bunch of DS speakers on my table right here, and I have a king of the music, the Faital Pro. A lot of people likes that. I was torturing this Faital Pro. As you can see, it's horrible. Then I was torturing the DS18 speaker right here, right? What are we gonna do? You see, it's all these holes. we're gonna do some kind of interesting experiment. I'm gonna destroy that speaker. I tried to destroy, but it's like it lives forever. So now, today's episode is gonna be nothing else. This one is a DS18 600 Pro 300MB, right? But DS18 launched brand new product. If you guys sleeping on the DS18, they pumping left and right a lot of good products. In this episode, I'm gonna tell you why I hate DS18, because they have a lot of twisty side. I'm gonna talk about that, why I don't like the DS18. So the company sent me this one for the review, but always I say, hey guys, I'm gonna do 100% my honest opinion. Is your product is bad, I'm gonna tell you it's the bad, right? So here's the difference. If you have DS18 6PRO in the MR version, this is a Pro 300 MR. As you can see, 300 watts. They're both exactly the same, but the magnets on this one is going to be a lot bigger. But on the front, as you can see, it's totally different, the build. This is very nice compressed. The both is a compressed paper, but I'm going to play the music side by side. You guys are going to see like how these sounds, right? This is not a comparison video, but this one going to be review for MR brand new speaker. As you can see, push terminal. Build quality is a premium. I didn't check on the website how much they charging for this one, but I think this one's gonna be another, I don't know, after playing the music, right, it's gonna be another high selling the unit. So let's play some music between the two speakers. Of course, I'm gonna play the copyright free music, which is I have right to play. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna play the couple music, and also I'm gonna switch the equalizer, like a different tone, so I'm gonna hear how much these speakers are sensitive for the audio quality. That's how I evaluate the speakers is good or not bad. A lot of speakers are dull. No matter what kind of signals you give, they absolutely just, you know, loudly producing garbage audio. But some speakers actually you can tune for the really quality audio, right? So that's why I always tune that. And I'm gonna install these speakers like all my other videos. Before you start hating on the comment section, I will install a proper box, and I'm gonna actually torture those speakers with a lot of music, right? Let's play some music now. All right, very first time I'm hearing this speaker, right? It's gonna be very interesting. Well, let's do it again. This one plays a lot cleaner, the higher note. This one's gonna be like a mid-range speaker with a little bit bass. This one's absolutely no bass at all. So let's give it some little bit more juice. Oh, that's gonna be loud now. So as you can see, this speaker already, like, because the tune for the a lot higher notes, it's very nice and bright sounding speaker, but you shouldn't give any bass like I do all the time, right? But this speaker is very comfortable at a certain bass we're giving. Of course, these speakers are for mid-range speakers. You shouldn't give any bass. You have to have subwoofer after the mid-bass speakers and mid-range speakers and the tweeters, right? So you have like a full range of audio. Whatever we're testing, we're gonna test. All right, so now let me turn the bass a lot lower. This is my equalizer. So let's play. Absolutely different animal, right? Let me get this guy right here. I was surprising how this one is even, I tortured this one like to the death. I'm gonna give you a lot of bass, watch this. Didn't die, maybe I'm gonna kill it now with the nicer music. Let's see, we're gonna give you a lot of bass. You shouldn't give it. These speakers, these are... sound good, right? Even dead DS18, it's a good DS18. All right, I'm gonna glue stick this part right here. All right, only that makes noise is this part. If I glue this part, it's gonna be absolutely playing very, very nice. So what I'm gonna do, I always had the question, if I remove the middle part, it's gonna be playing cleaner or not, right? A lot of guys were asking. Well, let's play that. And the next experiment, next video, I'm gonna order a couple of these for all the plastic ones. We're gonna glue it, and I'm gonna fix this speaker, and I'm gonna waterproof this speaker. And it's gonna be, I think it's gonna still sound really, really good. I tried to kill this speaker. I gave this so much bass. Only thing, it was crack on the side. I thought it's gonna be dying from inside, it burns, but for some reason, you see the crack is getting bigger and bigger, but it's the speaker surviving really, really good. I don't know how to kill these speakers, but we're gonna do on these speakers also, right? The same model, I'm gonna do the waterproofing. I'm gonna show you how to install for the motorcycles, because this speaker is not good for the motorcycle. They do the bunch of motorcycle, the waterproof version for the DS18, but if you don't have those waterproof, the expensive ones, I'm gonna show you how to waterproof these speakers and get the really good sound output, right? Let's play the speakers couple of music, and I'm gonna tell you if it's this speaker, it's good enough or not. Oh, I think it's gonna be a lot of bass. I'm scared it's gonna be explode or not. Alright guys, comment below what you guys think about this speaker, what kind of scenario you guys gonna run this speaker, right? As you can see, sensitivity for the signal is wide. Of course, doesn't like the bass like these guys are. These guys, like if you can run like a mid-bass speakers, I was torturing these on the box, like a proper install of the box. As I say, I give it a tons of bass, and this is a mid-range speaker, but you can install for the mid-bass speaker. They're very, very capable speakers, right? These models. But as you can see, the top side is you're missing a lot. So this one is going to be sounds like from 8,000 hertz. It's going to be fill up to until the 18,000 hertz. So even the tweeters, you don't need like a lot of tweeters or a lot of compression horns, depending what kind of setup you're going to use, right? Yeah, another great product from DS18, and this is why I don't like this company, because they always give you the good options. So as soon as you join to like a DS18.com, you're going to get lost and you're going to spend a lot of money. It's like the money burners. You want every single speaker, whatever they do. Now I see on the DS18 website, it's like they have a bunch of new arrivals, right? When you click it, they have a bunch of, like last year I didn't have that much the speakers they offering, but I see like a lot of speakers now is a brand new, and the amplifiers for the marine use, for the ATVs, whatever you imagine. So you're gonna end up spending a lot of money. That's why I don't like the DS18. Other than that, the products are good. We're gonna compare these speakers with the depth bounce, and this is a stylus depth bounce, right? And also down for sound, it's making exactly the same scenario. But these, the papers came very first. This kind of paper is from the depth bounce. Arnold's, they very, very loud speakers for the smaller amount of signal. And this is another product from DS18, right? So yeah, hope this video helps you guys. Next video, right now I'm gonna record the 8-inch version, but it's a different components. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, definitely subscribe it. I'll be happy in the comment below what kind of scenario you guys gonna use these kind of speakers, right? I'm out.